students. Today we will revise the topic solar water distillation. So first we will start with the basic term. First, distillation, which means the action of purifying liquid by process of heating and cooling. Now what does solar water distillation term means? It is the process of using solar energy to separate fresh water from salt and other contaminants. Basically, in this process, what happened, the untreated water absorb heat, it will reach the high temperature, the heat will cause water to evaporate, and after cooling it will condense down into the liquid, leaving the contaminant behind, and this condensed liquid will be collected into the separate container. Now it was first constructed, or you can say that it was first used in 1872. It is a very simple and cheap process, and it provide alternative source of water, generally in the remote areas where the water supply is very expensive and they face problem of water shortage. Now we will discuss the principle of solar water distillation. So first of all, what are the basic component of a solar water distillation? It is made up of a basically four component. First is the basin or closed container, in which is used to hold the waste water. Second is insulator. That insulator is usually used at the bottom of the basin, and it have ability to absorb most thermal energy and reflect minimal visible light radiation. Now third is the glass cover. It enables to entrap heat inside the basin, and it is made up of a glass material, so it help in preventing corrosion and rust. Fourth is a water collection trough, and it is used for the collection of condensed liquid. Now the principle. It is based on three principles: evaporation, condensation, and difference in basin material temperature. Now we will talk about the process. In this container, what happened in this distillation unit? First of all, the contaminated water in basin is heated by solar radiation. Now, the air convection current is formed by the effect of temperature and salinity difference in the basin. The rise in temperature will increase the evaporation rate and air current, along with moisture condensed on the transparent roof surface. When the temperature will be cooled down, then this vapor will condense into the liquid and will be collected into the collection channel. Now what are the applications of the solar water distillation unit? First application, as we have discussed, it is used for the treatment of waste water, and it provides safe drinking water. Second is it help in the removal of organic, inorganic, and bacterial contaminants. It is also used for alcohol distillation. It is used for the seawater and brackish water desalination. So it is very economical for the remote area and also help in improving the standard of living. It is used for the area where there is a water supply is very poor. Now moving forward to what are the advantages of using this process. As you have seen that it operate on the solar energy, that is a renewable resource of energy, so it need no operational energy cost. We have also seen that it help in removal of contaminant, so it provides safe drinking water. It is a very low cost process. It reduces the dependency on the fresh water resources, so it diversify the sources of water, and it is a very low maintenance system. Now moving forward to the disadvantages. Sometimes the material which is required for its construction is very difficult to obtain in the remote areas, and also the contaminant which left behind in the basin, if it is not handled properly, then it may cause environmental pollution. And also the rate of distillation is very slow, and you can say that it can distill 6 liter of water per sunny day per meter square, so it is not suitable for the large needs. Thank you. If you have any query or question related to this topic, you can